Welcome back. North Goa MP Shripad Naik's car met with an accident on Thursday. His car was banged by a private bus. The case has been filed at Old Goa Police Station. Shripad Naik was on board. Fortunately, nobody was injured.
एक हायर सेकंडरी विवेकानंद हायर सेकंडरी प्रगती हायस्कूल आणि आयुर्वेदिक कॉलेज हातून हांवें काही एमपी लॅडातून काही सामान म्हणजे कॉम्प्युटर LCD प्रोजेक्टर झेरॉक्स मशीन हे तिन्ही दोन एक हायर सेकंडरी एक हायस्कूल आणि एक कॉलेज आयुर्वेदिक कॉलेज हे कार्यक्रम आटोपून तांकां ते प्रदान करून हांव परत घरा येतालो. आमी खोर्ले पावले आणि रेल्वेचो जो ओवरब्रिज आहा त्या ब्रिजाचेर फुडल्यान गाडी चलतालो. फुडले गाडयेन ब्रेक मारलो. आमी आमची गाडी थारयली आणि 1-2 मिनटांनी एक गाडी मिनी बस आयली आणि एकदम आमच्या गाडयेक एकदम ठोकर दिलो. जबरदस्त ठोकर दिलो. पण ताणें आमी फुडें थारल्यार तांकां दिसूंकूच ना. ताणें ब्रेकय लावना आणि जबरदस्त आमच्या गाडयेक फाटल्यान धक्को बसलो आणि परत गाडी आमची फुडें वचून दुसरे गाडये नंतर आदळ्ळी. तो ड्रायव्हराचें निग्लिजन्स ड्रायव्हिंग आणि म्हाका दिसता तो खंय तरी नशेक आसा अशें म्हाका दिसलां. हांवें पुलिशे कडेन सांगलां की ताजें मेडिकल चेकअप करचें म्हणून. पण देवाचे कृपेन आमी वाचले सगळ्यांच्या आशिर्वादान. म्हणजे इतलो जबरदस्त धक्को आशिल्लो. गाडी वांकडी आशिल्ली आमी पुलो पळय सकयल पडटा आशिल्ली. परंतु अशें कांय जावना. थोडोसो इल्लोसो सुको बेश्टो धक्को लागिल्ले कारण मातसो मार लागला. पण तशें मेजर कांय जावना.
Victim lady doctor of Forensic Department of Goa Medical College has named one more doctor alleging sexual assault and mental torture. Meanwhile, the District and Sessions Court at Panji has dismissed petition filed by 3 accused doctors seeking their anticipatory bail as the charges against them are bailable. Victim lady doctor of Forensic Department of Goa Medical College has named one more doctor of the college alleging sexual assault and mental torture. Previously, she had registered a FIR with Panji Women's Cell against her seniors accused Dr. Silvano Dias Sapeco, Dr. Penag S. Kumar and Dr. Andre Fernandez alleging sexual assault and mental torture since December 2012. Dr. Silvano Dias Sapeco is the head of the Forensic Department at Goa Medical College. The District and Sessions Court at Panji on Thursday dismissed the petition filed by accused Dr. Silvano Dias Sapeco, Dr. Penag Kumar and Dr. Andre Fernandez seeking their anticipatory bail. The court judged the petition as not maintainable as the charges against them are bailable. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. A 53-year-old person, Vishnu Naik, was found hanging at his residence at Durgawadi, Taligaon. He was found hanging with the help of a nylon rope. Police is suspecting it as suicide as he was undergoing treatment since he had returned from abroad in November 2012. The body has been sent to Goa Medical College for the post-mortem.
Vishnu Yashwant Naik, 53 वर्षांचो रेसिडेंट ऑफ तालिगांव दुर्गावाडी. ताणें रातचो ही मस्ट हॅव कमिटेड सुसायड बाय हँगींग ताच्या घरान दुर्गावाडी तालिगांव. आनी सकाळीं 7 दिसांक सुमार पुलिसांक इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळ्ळें पणजी पुलिसान. ते बरोबर तांणी इन्क्वेस्ट पंचनामा केलो आनी बॉडी वॉज सेंट फॉर पोस्टमॉर्टम.
Meanwhile, 1-month-old infant was found dead in an abandoned position near an under-construction district hospital in Fatorda. Identity of child is still unknown. Migrant labourers reside in the locality. Local MLA Vijay Sardesai said that the child died due to starvation, but this area needs to be vacated as many migrants other than labourers are residing here.
अशें दिसता की the child has died out of starvation. It is an infant and there are no parents around. आता हांगा जर रावंक गेले जाल्यार हांगा मायग्रंट व्हेरिफिकेशन नासतना ही झोपडपट्ट्योच आउटसोर्स केल्ल्यो. and these are supposed to be hutments for workers who are working for the district hospital. Now the district hospital work has been abandoned. We have taken this up several times. So now we regret the death of this child, but at the same time, for such things not to recur here, I have at least told the police that they should immediately initiate action and clear off all these hutments.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.